happens if I put you guys in a fridge? Alright. I'm gonna be the first man to see what it looks like to put yourself in the fridge. Alright. Now see how it looks. Is it good in there? Can you hear me? Gotta literally just put my... Oh god! Ow, that hurt. Jeez. You don't have to slam so hard. Alright. One more time. You're going in here one more time. You're going in here one more time. Bye-bye! Wait, you know what? I could put you guys in the freezer. Come here. I literally almost dropped my phone. Alright, you're going in the freezer this time, boys. You're going in the freezer. Don't slam my... Don't. You know what? Screw it. Put you in there. Is it the same on the fridge? Okay, oh god. Alright, well, that was the first look of Into the Fridge. You know what? I'm going to throw my phone now. Alright. See you later. Oh, yeah. Gogan and Pietro are still there. Alright. Bye-bye. Hey, you're still